Your gut health is not just about digestion, it silently controls your energy, your immunity, your mood, even the way your brain works. Hidden deep inside your microbiome are trillions of bacteria, both good and bad, fighting for control. And here's the shocking truth: when your gut is out of balance, it triggers inflammation, weakens your immune system, fuels anxiety, and accelerates disease. But when your gut is strong, everything changes. Science now reveals that the microbiome is the true command center of health. And yet most people sabotage it daily without even realizing. In this video, you'll uncover the surprising science behind gut health and the exact steps to heal your microbiome fast, naturally, and effectively. Welcome to Natural Health Secrets, where we uncover the truth behind nutrition, wellness, and longevity. Today we're exploring one of the most overlooked foundations of health: gut health. On the surface, digestion may seem simple, but your gut is not just a tube that processes food, it's a living ecosystem that communicates with your brain, your hormones, and your immune defenses every second of the day. If you've ever struggled with bloating, fatigue, mood swings, or stubborn weight gain, your microbiome may be the hidden culprit. The good news? With the right foods and habits, you can repair this system faster than you think. By the end of this video, you'll know the shocking truth about gut health, and the exact steps you can take to heal it naturally, without pills, without dependence, and without fear. Most people think of the gut as only a digestive machine, but it's far more complex. Inside your intestines lives a world of over 100 trillion bacteria, viruses, and fungi, collectively known as the microbiome. This invisible world is responsible for producing vitamins like B12 and K2, regulating your immune system, and even protecting your heart. Nearly 70% of your immune defenses live in the gut. When your microbiome is balanced, your body works like a well-tuned orchestra. Inflammation is kept low, nutrients are absorbed, and energy flows freely. But when this ecosystem is disrupted by antibiotics, processed foods, chronic stress, or lack of sleep, the balance collapses. Harmful bacteria multiply, the protective lining of the gut weakens, and toxins begin to leak into the bloodstream, a phenomenon many scientists call leaky gut. This condition doesn't just lead to bloating or constipation, it's linked to autoimmune diseases, type 2 diabetes, obesity, depression, and even Alzheimer's. Harvard research shows that people with poor gut diversity face much higher risks of heart disease and systemic inflammation. Imagine your gut as fertile soil. When it's healthy, vibrant plants grow effortlessly, but when it's damaged, weeds take over and the soil stops supporting life. But how do you know if your gut is in trouble? The warning signs are everywhere, but most people ignore them. Persistent bloating after meals, unpredictable bowel movements, and constant cravings for sugar or junk food are early indicators. Yet the effects go beyond digestion. Low energy, poor concentration, skin issues like acne or eczema, and even mental health struggles often trace back to an imbalanced microbiome. That's because the gut and brain are intimately connected through the vagus nerve, a communication highway known as the gut-brain axis. When your gut bacteria are out of balance, they send distress signals to the brain, increasing anxiety, lowering focus, and even triggering depression. Johns Hopkins researchers have confirmed that gut microbes influence serotonin production, the hormone responsible for happiness and calm. So when your microbiome is struggling, you literally lose access to your own joy. And it doesn't stop there. Poor gut health is also one of the biggest drivers of chronic inflammation. The silent fire that damages cells, stiffens arteries, and accelerates aging. It's why some people look and feel older than their age. Inflammation fueled by gut imbalance wears the body down from the inside out. If you've been living with fatigue, poor skin, brain fog, or mood swings, your gut is likely sending you signals. They are not random annoyances. They are warnings from your body that it's time to repair what has been neglected. If this resonates with you, here's something important. Healing your gut doesn't require complicated treatments, expensive supplements, or years of waiting. It starts with small, natural changes you can begin today. And if you want to go deeper into strategies that truly work, I've left a trusted link in the description with resources that will guide you step by step. Don't wait until gut problems grow into full-blown disease. Take action now, because the earlier you heal your gut, the faster your body can restore balance and protect you from future illness. Healing your gut naturally begins with the foods you eat every single day. Probiotics are the frontline soldiers. Live beneficial bacteria found in yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, and kombucha. Just as important are prebiotics, the special fibers that feed these good bacteria. Garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, bananas, and oats act like fertilizer for your microbiome, helping probiotics thrive. Together, probiotics and prebiotics rebuild your gut lining and restore order. But here's where most people fail. They add good foods but don't remove the damaging ones. Refined sugar feeds harmful bacteria and yeast, making dysbiosis worse. Artificial sweeteners disrupt microbial diversity. Ultra-processed foods with preservatives and chemicals create an environment where inflammation never stops. Stanford University research shows that diets high in processed foods reduce microbial diversity, weakening the immune system and accelerating disease. Beyond food, lifestyle matters. Chronic stress increases cortisol, which damages the gut lining. Lack of sleep changes microbial populations in just days, creating a cycle of fatigue and poor digestion. On the other hand, consistent hydration helps digestion flow, dilutes toxins, and supports microbial balance. Picture this: every bite, every sip, every choice is either feeding the good or feeding the bad. That's the shocking truth. Your gut health is shaped daily, meal by meal, habit by habit. You are either healing or harming it, there is no neutral. If you want to reset your gut quickly, consistency is everything. Start your day with fiber-rich foods and fermented options. A simple breakfast of overnight oats with yogurt, berries, and flax seeds is a microbiome powerhouse. For lunch, include leafy greens, avocado, and a handful of walnuts to stabilize blood sugar and feed your gut bacteria. At dinner, whole grains like quinoa combined with kimchi or sauerkraut give your microbiome exactly what it needs. Supplements can also act as a bridge. Probiotic capsules with multiple strains can speed recovery, especially after antibiotics. L-glutamine, an amino acid, helps repair the intestinal lining. Zinc supports immune defenses. These aren't quick fixes, but tools that accelerate your body's natural ability to heal. Equally important is managing stress. Breathing techniques, meditation, and even short walks in nature lower cortisol, giving your microbiome space to recover. Sleep is another critical reset button. Going to bed and waking up at the same time daily restores your circadian rhythm, which directly improves gut balance. The science is clear. Within 30 days of consistent gut-friendly habits, markers of inflammation drop, energy rises, and digestion improves. Your body is not broken. It is designed to heal itself rapidly when given the right tools. The real challenge is commitment, and the reward is nothing less than your health and vitality. These aren't complicated rituals. They're simple, repeatable habits that compound into powerful healing. Supplements can also act as a bridge. Probiotic capsules with multiple strains can speed recovery, especially after antibiotics. We've uncovered the shocking truth about gut health. It controls far more than digestion. From immunity and energy to mood and long-term disease prevention, your microbiome shapes every aspect of your life. We saw the warning signs of imbalance: bloating, fatigue, brain fog, poor skin, and even depression. We discovered how probiotic foods, prebiotic fibers, fermented meals, leafy greens, and whole grains can restore balance naturally. We revealed how stress, poor sleep, and processed foods silently destroy your microbiome, and how consistent choices reset it in as little as 30 days. The most important lesson is this: gut health controls everything. When your microbiome is balanced, your body heals faster, your mind becomes sharper, and your immune system grows stronger. But here's the cliffhanger. Even if you fix your gut, there are hidden everyday habits silently damaging your health. Choices that age your body and drain your energy without you realizing it. In our next video, I'll reveal these habits and how to stop them before they rob you of vitality. Subscribe to Natural Health Secrets now and stay with us, because your health is your greatest wealth, and protecting it begins with your gut.